Assalamu alaikum students. In this video we will discuss 20 most important questions in overall chemistry. First MCQs from physical or general chemistry. Why is the bond angle in water 104.5 degree less than the ideal tetrahedral angle of 109.5 degree? So reason is that the two lone pairs on the oxygen atom occupy more space than bonding pair due to greater electron-electron repulsion. This compresses the bond angle between the hydrogen atoms to less than 109.5 degree. Next, very important, why does boiling point of isomeric haloalkanes decreases with increased branching? So reason, branching reduces the surface area of the molecule, which weakens the Lentner dispersion forces. A more spherical shape also make it harder for molecule to pack closely together, lowering the energy required to vaporize them. So that is why boiling of point of isomeric haloalkanes decreases with increasing branching system. Next है, why is the enthalpy of neutralization of a strong acid and strong base always approximately minus 57.1 kilojoule per mole? So reason is that the net reaction is always H positive plus OH negative arrow H2O regardless of the strong acid or base used. This specific value corresponds to the energy released when 1 mole of water molecule is formed from its ions. Next, why does the conductivity of a solution of acetic acid increase initially upon dilution? So reason, dilution increases the degree of dissociation of the weak acid mean according to Ostwald's dilution law, leading to a significant increase in the number of free ions, which outweighs the effect of decreased concentration in the initial stages. So हमारे पास dilution जो है वो number of free ions को increase कर देती है. Next, why is the Van 't Hoff factor for a compound like potassium chloride approximately 2, while for acetic acid it is closely to 1. So reason is that KCl is a strong electrolyte and completely dissociate into ions. So इसकी जो हमारे पास वेंट हो फैक्टर है वो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली हो जाता है 2 के इक्वल. Acetic acid is a weak electrolyte and dissociate very little, so number of particles in solution is equal to number of the molecule dissolve. So इसका वेंट हाफ फैक्टर हो जाता है हमारे पास 1 के इक्वल, इस वजह से. नेक्स्ट है 6 क्वेश्चन है, why is the dipole moment of cis 1,2 dichloroethene greater than that of trans isomer? So dipole moment की बात हो रही है इसमें. तो in the cis isomer the bond dipoles of two CCl bonds are in the same direction and add up, resulting in a net molecular dipole. In trans isomer the bonding dipoles are equal and opposite, cancelling each other and leading to a net dipole moment of nearly 0. So trans में opposite sides पे होते हैं वो ग्रुप्स, तो वो एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर देते हैं. जैसे ही कैंसिल हो गया तो हमारे पास डाइपोल मोमेंट 0 हो जाएगा उनका, और इसमें एक दूसरे की सेम साइड्स पे होते हैं सिस में, तो इस वजह से इसमें जो है वो डाइपोल मोमेंट्स बढ़ेगा. नेक्स्ट, व्हाई डज द बेंजल्डिहाइड नॉट अंडरगो अ फ्राइडल क्राफ्ट अल्काइलेशन और एसाइलेशन रिएक्शन? सो रीजन इज दैट कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप अटैच टू द बेंजीन रिंग स्ट्रांगली इलेक्ट्रॉन withdrawing which deactivate the benzene ring toward electrophilic attack. So जैसे ही इलेक्ट्रॉन withdrawing ग्रुप अगर लगे हों बेंजीन के ऊपर या किसी भी रिंग के ऊपर, तो वो उसका जो है ना न्यूक्लियोफिलिक अटैक जो है वो कम कर देते हैं टुवर्ड द इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक. फर्दरमोर द लिविस एसिड जो AlCl3 है कोऑर्डिनेट टाइटली विद द कार्बोनाइल ऑक्सीजन फर्दर डीएक्टिवेटिंग द रिंग. सो देयरफॉर benzaldehyde not undergo a Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation. Next, why is the carbon-nitrogen bond in an amide shorter than the carbon-nitrogen bond in a simple amine like methylamine? So reason is that the CN bond in amide has partial double bond character due to resonance. The lone pair on the nitrogen delocalize into carbonyl carbon, which shortens and strengthens the CN bond. इस वजह से हमारे पास जो CN बॉन्ड है उसकी लेंथ हमारे पास शॉर्टर होती है. नेक्स्ट, वाई आर टर्मिनल अल्काइंस एसिडिक इनफ टू बी डीप्रोटोनेटेड बाय स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस लाइक NaNH2, but alkanes are not. So reason is that sp hybridized carbon in a terminal alkyne has 50% s character, holding the electron pair in the CH bond much closer to the nucleus. This stabilizes the resulting acetylide ion much more effectively than the corresponding alkyl carbon ion, making the proton more acidic. हमारे पास एसिटिलाइड आइन है वो हमारे पास मोर स्टेबल बन जाता है जब हमारे पास H पॉजिटिव आइन निकलता है तो वो स्टेबल बन जाता है। जैसे ही उसका वो स्टेबल बनता है तो वो इसलिए वजह से वो मोर एसिडिक बनता है। नेक्स्ट, व्हाई डज द टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल ब्रोमाइड अंडरगो एन E2 elimination reaction faster than N-butyl bromide with a strong base like ethoxide? So E2 mechanism is favor for substrate that can form more stable alkenes. So हमारे पास Z-Sieves rules है, ये हमारे पास कि सबस्ट्रेट जो है E2 मैकेनिज्म के साथ मोर स्टेबल अल्कीन्स देते हैं एंड लेस स्टेरिकली हिंडर ट्रांजिशन स्टेट, और उसमें स्टेरिकली हिंड्रेंस भी ना हो। द टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल कैटाइन इवन इन E2 रिएक्शन विच डज नॉट फॉर्म फुल कार्बोकैटाइन लीड टू अ लेस हिंडर ट्रांजिशन स्टेट दैट फ्रॉम द मोर सब्सटीट्यूटेड and stable alkene more readily compared to primary N-butyl bromide. That is why so tertiary butyl bromide जो है वो हमारे पास E2 रिएक्शन देता है इस वजह से। नेक्स्ट है why does the solubility of group 2 sulfates MgSO4, calcium sulfate SrSO4 and barium sulfate decreases down the group? So reason is that as the size of the cation increases down the group, the latest energy of the sulfate decreases more slowly than their hydration energy. The high latest energy of the smaller sulfates like MgSO4 is more easily overcome by hydration, making them soluble. For the larger ions like Pa2 positive, the decreased hydration energy cannot overcome the latest energy, even making BSO4 is highly insoluble. Next is the why is the टेट्राक्लोरो निकल जो है पैरामैग्नेटिक एंड टेट्राहेड्रल है, while the NiCN4 CN×4 2 नेगेटिव इज डायमैग्नेटिक एंड स्केयर प्लेनर। Cl नेगेटिव इज अ वीक फील्ड लिगेंड है हमारे पास, और Cn नेगेटिव जो है वो हमारे पास है स्ट्रॉन्ग फील्ड लिगेंड। जो हमारे पास वीक फील्ड लिगेंड होगा वो हमारे पास पेयरिंग नहीं करेगा, जब पेयरिंग नहीं करेगा तो वो हमारे पास पैरामैग्नेटिक कहलाएगा। So it cannot pair the electron in nickel 2 positive, so D8 configuration, a tetrahedral geometry result with the 2 unpaired electron paramagnetic कहलाएगा। Cn negative is a very strong field ligand which causes electron pairing and favors a square planar geometry for the D8 metal ions resulting in no unpaired electrons. So this property is called diamagnetic. Next, why does xenon form compound like xenon trifluoride and xenon tetrafluoride, but krypton and lighter noble gases do not? Reason is that xenon has a larger atomic size and lower ionization energy compared to krypton, radon and helium. This allows its valence electron to be involved in a bonding with the highly electronegative elements like fluorine, where energy released in bond formation compensate for energy required to promote and remove electrons. Next, why is the oxygen molecule paramagnetic? According to molecular orbital theory, the electronic configuration of O2 is so sigma 2s2 and sigma 2pz2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2px1, pi 2py1. The last two electrons occupy separate pi orbital following Hund's rule, resulting in two unpaired electrons, explaining its paramagnetism. हमारे पास लास्ट 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं वो हमारे पास होते हैं सेपरेट पाई ऑर्बिटल्स में, जैसे ये है 2p पाई 2px1 एंड पाई 2py1। ये हॉर्न्स रूल फॉलो करते हैं और ये हमारे पास अनपेयर्ड रहते हैं, तो इसी वजह से ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल इज कॉल्ड पैरामैग्नेटिक। नेक्स्ट 15 है वाई इज़ द +5 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ बिस्मथ लेस स्टेबल देन द +3 स्टेट, वाइल फॉर नाइट्रोजन +5 is common and +3 is less common. So reason is that this is due to inert pair effect. As we go down group 15, the NH2 electrons become increasingly inert and reluctant to participate in bonding due to poor shielding by D and F electrons. For bismuth, the heaviest stable member, the 3 positive usually using only the 6p3 electron is more stable than the plus 5 state, which would require that 6s2 electron to be involved. Next है, why does the helical structure of protein alpha helix have double dipole moment? So alignment of all the peptide bonds in the helix creates a cumulative effect. The C double bond O group partially negative charge point in one direction and the NH group partially positive charge point in the opposite direction, resulting in a net molecular dipole along the axis of helix. Next, why does glycogens have more extensive branching than starch? The high degree of branching in glycogen provides a much larger number of non-reducing ends, which are the sites where enzymes like glucogen phosphorylase act to rapidly release glucose unit during metabolic demand. These structural adaptations allow for the quick metabolism mobilizations of energy in animals. Next, why is the color of hexa aqua copper blue while the CuNH3 4 and H2O2 2 positive is a deeper blue and violet. NH3 is a strong field ligand है. Then H2O, it causes a larger splitting of the d orbitals. This means the complex absorb lower energy light toward the red or orange and yellow part of the spectrum. The transmitted light, which is the complementary color, shift from light blue of the aqua complex to deeper, more violet blue. Next, why does the denaturation of the protein by heat or acid often lead to the loss of its biological function? जो हमारे पास डीनेचुरेशन ऑफ हीट है, वो डीनेचुरेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन है, वो हीट या एसिड से हो सकती है डीनेचुरेशन, और ये इसमें लॉस ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल फंक्शन क्यों होता है? तो रीज़न इज़ दैट denaturation disrupts the weak non-covalent interaction hydrogen bond hydrophobic interaction that maintain the protein specific three-dimensional native conformation. Since a protein function is directly dependent on its precise shape, enzyme active site mean the loss of this structure leads to a loss of function. Next, last question है, why is the disulfide bond crucial for the structure of many proteins? Reason is that the disulfide bond is a strong covalent cross link that found between the thiol group of a two cysteine residue. It does not break and reform easily, making it a permanent structural feature that anchors and stabilizes the folded conformation of a protein, especially those secreted from the cell, mean insulin and antibodies.